Hello everyone! Welcome to this Scratch tutorial where we will be creating a fun and interactive fishing game. Let's dive right in! For this game, we need two main sprites. A girl holding a fishing rod, a fish. Click on Choose a Sprite and either draw your own character or pick one from the Scratch library. Next, go to the Costumes tab. Create 4 different costumes where the length of the fishing rod gradually decreases. This will simulate the effect of reeling in a fish when caught. Rename the sprite to Fisher so we can easily identify it in the script. Fish Sprite. Click Choose a Sprite and select a fish. Click on Costumes and duplicate the fish 2 times, making 3 different fish types. You can change their colors or shapes to differentiate them. Rename the sprite to Fish. Now, let's add some coding to the Fisher sprite so that when we click on it, the fishing rod moves up and down. First, we need to detect when the player clicks on the fishing rod character. To do this, drag the When This Sprite Clicked block from the Events category. This will trigger the animation whenever the player interacts with the sprite. Next, we want to simulate the fishing rod pulling up. To achieve this, attach a Repeat 4 block from the Control category. This loop will allow the animation to run 4 times, making the transition smooth. Inside this loop, add a Wait 0.0001 seconds block from the Control category. This tiny delay ensures that the costume changes appear seamless. To visually represent the fishing rod moving up, attach a Next Costume block from the Looks category inside the loop. This will make the sprite cycle through the 4 costumes we created earlier, giving the effect of pulling up the fishing rod. Once the rod is fully pulled up, we want to add a small delay before it returns to its original position. For this, add a Wait 1 second block. This pause helps create a more natural movement in the animation. Now, we need to bring the fishing rod back down to its original state. To do this, add another Repeat 4 block. Inside this loop, add another Wait 0.0001 seconds block, followed by a Switch Costume to Costume number -1 block. This will reverse the costume change, making it appear as if the fishing rod is lowering back down. Finally, we need to let the fish sprite know that the fishing rod has moved, so it can start appearing. To do this, add a Broadcast Catch Fish block. Now let's make the fish appear randomly and get caught when clicked. Drag when green flag clicked from Events. Add Hide from Looks to ensure the fish is not visible at the start. Add When I Receive Catch Fish from Events. Attach Create Clone of Myself so that multiple fish can appear. Next, let's define how the cloned fish should behave. Drag When I Start as a Clone from Events. Attach Switch Costume from Looks. From the Operator category, add the To Pick Random and Inputter 1 and 3 to this. Because we have 3 costumes for the fish, this will make sure the random fish is caught. Add Go to Front Layer and Show to make the fish appear. Attach Set Size to 0%, followed by a Repeat 10 block containing Change Size by 10, so the fish gradually grows in size. Create a variable called Score. If costume number equals 1, change score by 5. If costume number equals 2, change score by 10. Costume number equals 3. Change score by 3. 100 feet. blocked when clicked. Add a forever block. Inside, use if, mouse down and touching mouse pointer from sensing. Inside the if block, add a repeat 25 block containing change y by 10. To simulate the fish being pulled up, add broadcast clone deleted to remove the fish. Finally, attach delete this clone so that the fish disappears after being caught. Add another when green flag clicked event block. Attach set score to 0 to ensure the score resets at the beginning of the game. And that's it for part 1. We've set up our sprites, programmed the fishing rod movement, and made fish appear and disappear with scoring. In the next part, we'll add more movement for the fish and enhance the game further. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon